What's up, everybody? Today I have a special video, and that's gonna be how to make your own DIY mask. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so for the materials that you're going to need, it's all going to be in the video. There's going to be like a box where I show everything. So if you want to hear it, it's just this string right here that you can find on a normal mask. Some string or some yarn or something. You'll need two, or you can just use one of these, but these are sleeves from unused shirts. And you also need super glue, by the way, to stick this into place, and you need scissors to cut the string. So there'll be a whole video running, so yeah. Okay, how I made this is, first I just grabbed one unused shirt, and then there are two sleeves obviously, so I used two of them, but you should just use one so that it doesn't affect your breathing while you use the mask. And also, this is obviously to stop coronavirus from spreading, so yeah. And as you can see, there's like stitching all around. You can just use like one of those sewing machines, but I sewed it by hand because I don't have one of those. And as you can see, for the strap right here that goes on your ear, you can use like a hair tie or something, or maybe a soft rubber band or something you can find. Like, I have this one that came from a mask, and then I just took it off, so you can just reuse this mask anytime. And also, you should know that this one is 2 layers of sleeves, so it may be kind of hard to breathe in it. And so that means you should just do 1 layer just in case. So yeah. And as you can see right here, I folded these edges right here so that it can be smaller and look more like a real mask. And these are kind of small because I made this too big. So let's get on to how it looks like. Hello, everybody. This is how the mask looks like on your head. So as you can see, it covers up your whole face, and so that means that you wouldn't spread the coronavirus if you're using it for that case. And also, as you can see, the ear strap, it looks pretty good, and also covers up almost to your ear, as you can see. And your chin also is covered up, so that's pretty good. As I said before, it's a little bit difficult to breathe in this, so I recommend 1 layer of the shirt sleeve. So yeah. And also, I have my Doppler's kendama on me because I was just practicing in my backyard. So yeah. So make sure you like, subscribe, share this video to other people so they can also learn how to make a mask during this difficult time. And also comment what you think. And I'll also have another kendama sometime soon. So yeah. And I'll see you in the next video.